Hi, my name is Bruno Charbonneau. I am Associate Professor of Political Science at Laurentian University in Canada. I'm also the Director of the Centre Franco-Paix on Peace Mission and Conflict Resolution based at the Chaire Raoul d'Endurant en Études Stratégiques et Diplomatiques in Montreal in Canada as well. Generally speaking, I work on the international politics of African conflicts, notably in West Africa. I've worked especially on Mali and Côte d'Ivoire. Presently, I work on a project that compares the two cases with my colleague based in Winnipeg, Dr. Jonathan Sears. In that work, we are trying to build a new theory of post-conflict governance. We are asking questions about the effects of international intervention on the African state, on the post-conflict governance, on African sovereignty, especially at that line between national state sovereignty and international authority. And we're asking questions about what that means also for the limits of legitimate violence. Essentially, we are asking the question, what and whose peace is being built in this context, in post-governance settings, under conditions of international intervention. In Mali, for instance, we have very interesting things happening. Notably, we have, on the one hand, a nationally limited traditional peacekeeping mission that leads or certainly supports a nationally limited peace process. On the other, we have a regional counterterrorism effort led by the G5 Sahel and French troops. This obviously leads us to question what that means for African or state sovereignty and the limits and definition of legitimate violence. As director of the Centre Franco-Paix, which is supported by the Organisation Internationale de la Francophonie, I'm concentrating on developing peace and conflict studies in French and about French worlds and experiences. Last October, in 2015, with colleagues from Montreal and Ottawa, students and practitioners, we created a working group on West Africa. That working group will concentrate its efforts on two key issues in 2015. First, we will be studying peacekeeping missions and the changing environment within which they have to operate, notably the focus on counterterrorism. The other issue is on political transition, especially in the context of elections in Africa. So these are the two big projects that we will be concentrating on in Montreal. So that's it for me. I hope to meet you soon at our next annual symposium. Thank you.